Okay, good afternoon. Here's the agenda for today. We reviewed our notes for our quiz that we were going to take today over sources of information. So you had note sheets on CARP, which stands for currency, accuracy, authority, relevance, and purpose. And you also had note sheets on evaluating an online resource and what is a primary and what is a secondary source of information and some of their characteristics. We spent time in class reviewing those, and you can do so yourself. You can practice with somebody or by yourself over those ideas. For the quiz, it's online, it's in your classroom, it's waiting for you to take, so you can go ahead and take your quiz without using the notes. So we did not use our notes this time. And then when you're finished with the quiz, there'll be a link for you to follow to a video. And there are questions to answer. This says that are on the board, but I put the questions in your classroom as well. So you're going to do a few things for me. Review for your quiz. Take your quiz that's in your classroom. It'll say Sources of Information Quiz. Follow the link at the end of your quiz to watch a video, and then answer 2 questions. The question, one of the questions will say, how does physical geography impact human geography? So we talked a little bit about physical geography is how a place looks or feels in terms of its physical characteristics, like the climate or the terrain, the mountains. Is it desert? Flat plains, hot or cold? And depending on those physical characteristics, it's going to impact the human geography, what people do, what they wear, how they work, how they communicate. So we will spend some time in class tomorrow going over those. So if you have any questions, you can send those to me, but when you're finished with your quiz, I should see it, and then you'll have the video to watch and the questions to answer when you're done. Hope you're doing well. See you later.